Recently, Norris High School has advanced their technology this 2017-18 school year with Chromebooks. These Chromebooks have a lot to offer and many astonishing features like a front-facing camera and the ability to flip into a touchscreen tablet. Each student is in possession of their Chromebook throughout their high school career. With this comes lots of responsibility for each student, like keeping track of it, making sure it is in good condition, and plugging it in every night so it is ready for use the next day. Everyone has their own login information they have to enter each time for security and privacy. One purpose for getting these Chromebooks is to try and go paperless with schoolwork. Students throw away lots and lots of paper each school year. Having the Chromebook should cut down on the paper waste. This is one reason why Norris wanted the chance to get Chromebooks for the students. The students being able to take their own personal Chromebook from class to class with them is a big advantage. They have access to a computer whenever they are in need of one. They don't have to worry about the teacher having a Chromebook cart that day or if they charged them overnight. There are a lot of class activities and assignments that take part on the Chromebooks, like class review games and online quizzes. It's more convenient for everyone. It gives a variety of ways to learn. Students can treat their Chromebooks as if it is their own personal computer. They have the benefit of taking it home every night and even get to keep it over the summer months. They can use it for schoolwork and anything else they would like to use the Chromebook for. This helps out many students tremendously because some may not have access to a computer at home. As you can tell, the Chromebooks have benefited Norris High School in many ways this 2017-18 school year and hopefully many to come.